when the school starts offline, where
Date is not yet come. We will inform you.
no man,
First,
when the school starts offline, what time do you have to wake up in the morning?
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock and our bus will come at 7:30.
don't ask.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
My
Will
parents
be
wake up at
I
8
don't
o'clock.
like to sleep.
to come on the regular timings and come on the track. It will take time for everyone, for you
6
children
o'clock.
also, and for everyone.
Ma'am, but it was still 3 or it was still 1 only of for 7.
I want the bus
What?
to come at
From
1
fifth
o'clock.
from 4th or 5th it was from 9.
Yeah, but it was the timetable last 2 years back,
Ma'am,
and you have now
I
spent the
want
2 years
my
with the
bus.
online classes.
Ma'am,
Right?
I want my bus to come at 1 o'clock at the
Now let's
daytime.
see. Let's see.
At the
Let the new
daytime.
timetable comes, and we'll inform you. Okay?
At the morning.
Can we start the class?
Yes.
Okay. So children, as you know that we are learning the tables and then we move into the multiplication also. I request everyone along with the class at home also keep it regular of learning the tables. Vishrut, Granth, Danya, Kashvi, turn on your camera. Danya, Granth, please Vishrut, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is not working. It will be work tomorrow. My
And
father.
Kashvi, promise me you be sit at your place properly and do the work.
Yes, ma'am.
Granth and Danya, Vishrut, please turn on your camera. Jiga Singh, turn on your camera. Granth, now you will not keep your camera off.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Okay. So now please write the table of 16 and 17 in your notebooks, in your revision notebooks. Sixteen ones are
16.
16 ones are students.
16.
Everyone will say
16.
16 twos are
32.
32.
16 threes are
48.
48.
48. 16 fours are
64.
64.
16 fives are
8.
80.
80. 16 fives are 80.
96.
16 sixes are
96.
96.
96.
16 sevens are
112.
112. Not 102, 112. 16 eights are
128.
only Behan Dobaria has learned the tables. What about the others?
What, ma'am?
What about the others? No one is saying I want a loud voice in the class. 16 nines are
144.
144. 16 tens are
160.
please write it in your notebooks. I'm giving you 1 minute time, then move to the next table. Let me take the attendance. Please mute your mic.
May I say something, ma'am?
What, Vedant?
May I say something?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, have you noticed something like in the sixth table, 6 twos is 31. I mean 12. And it is 32. So one number is similar to sixth table.
6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are
18.
18. So here, so it is not coming.
Ma'am, it is coming. Ma'am, see, it is 8 in the last.
1 here, if we added, then we are adding 2 numbers here. Then we adding 4 number. No.
No, ma'am, I mean the last number like 2 and 8 are the last numbers of.
Acha, adding of the third number.
Yes.
This way. But
Yes.
here it is possible, but the next it is not possible. 4 plus 0 will be not 6.
It is
Ma'am,
possible.
there is a pattern following 62840, 62840.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
This pattern 62840. 62840. Okay. Good observation.
Ma'am, I have observed in many of them.
Okay. So good
Same.
observation, students. Can we move to the table of 17? Everyone completed?
And no.
Please write fast.
Ma'am, completed the table. Completed.
Completed?
Yes.
See children, after tables, we will do 4-digit multiplicand and 4-digit multiplier. But only I will give you the classwork practice. No worksheet for that today. That is the extended learning. Okay, I will discuss 5 sums of that concept related to it in the classwork only. Then you can do as many as sums practice at home. Clear, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Because that is not in your syllabus. That is an extended learning for you.
I'm done, ma'am.
Means for 4 by 4 it will come in 5th grade.
Yes.
Means you
But I'm preparing you, giving you the concept
preparing us for
for
it.
the grade 5.
It will be easy. So
Yes.
Ma'am,
Haji, tell me.
ma'am, I joined on 11:46. 1 minute late. So, ma'am, did you started something at that time?
No. We started with the table only. Can I move to the table of 17 now?
Yes.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've written the table of 17.
Ma'am, 7 2 is 34. Ma'am, 7 2 is 34.
I will erase na, beta. Wait a minute.
But ma'am has not started while you're saying right now. Ma'am, I wrote the table.
Okay, good. If you have done, just check and speak after this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Can I say one trick of 17 table?
Please give us.
Yes, ma'am. First, we have to write the 16 table, the answers,
Plus 1.
then 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1, 17. No, ma'am, not like that.
Then?
Yes, 16 plus 1, 17. 16 plus 2. Not 16 plus 2, 32.
plus 2.
Plus 2 is equal to 34. Like that, the whole table will go and we will get the answers.
You can do this concept with all the tables. जिसके बाद जैसे 18 की टेबल आएगी तो you will do that way.
Ma'am, I am to say. Ma'am, I have a more easier trick of 1 million table. Ma'am, I have a very simple trick.
Okay. Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, first we will do 4 multiplied by 7 equals to 28. It will be here at the side. Then what will we do? 4 ones are 4 plus 2. 6. The 68 is the answer.
No, I'm not still getting.
He's talking about 17 Forza.
That's the reason of 17 Forza is talking about. Okay, can we move to the writing table?
Yes,
17 Manza.
17.
17 Tuza.
34.
17 Triza. 51. 17 Forza.
68.
17 Fiveza.
85.
17 Sixza.
102. 100.
17 sevens are
119.
17 eights are
136.
136. There is a one child who don't know the tables, but when everyone is speaking, he is just saying in the middle. Jan Patel, you have learned the table of 17?
Yes, ma'am. I'm confused in some.
I know. That's the reason. No, I recognize the voice of the child. When everyone is speaking and that you giving the answer with the everyone. No, my dear, learn by heart all the tables because you know how to do that. You know the tricks. It will be okay. You know how to add and find what will be 17 twos and write the table. Right? Written work is clear, but when someone asks you orally what will be 17 fours are, so you need to give the answer quickly. For that, we need to learn the tables. है ना? So please write, mute yourself, Dhyan. Then 17 nines are 17 tens are
170.
please write in your notebooks.
Done.
Repeat after me. 17 ones are
70.
17 twos are
34.
17 threes are
51.
17 fours are
68.
68.
17 fives are
85.
17 sixes are
102.
17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are Kashvi, lot of voices coming from your background. Mute yourself, please. Kashvi, you do the lip sync, I will see. Or Dhyan Patel, you also. Lot of background voices coming, so do the lip sync, I will see. Okay. 17 sevens are
119.
Dhyan Patel, you speak, but keep camera mic off. Okay. 17 eights are 17 nines are
153.
17 tens are
170.
170. Mantra,
170.
you also have to speak the tables. Whatever I ask in the class, please participate. Okay, Mantra. After writing the tables, now we moving to the multiplication sums.
Ma'am, we have to write chapter 11 multiplication of
4 digit by 4 digit. 4 digit
Excuse me, ma'am.
by, yes.
Ma'am, I'm not getting my math school book, so can I write in the revision one?
You can write, and beta, you are now at home. Still, you're not finding your notebooks.
4 digit by 4 digit.
Yes. 4 digit by 4 digit, but this is not in your syllabus, means it will not be asked in the exam of this grade 4. But I am making you prepare for the grade 5. Clear, everyone? 4 digit by 4 digit is not in your syllabus. It will not come in your grade 4 exam. But I'm giving you a practice so that you will feel more comfortable when you go. Jiga Singh, wait. Mute yourself. I will make you comfortable when you go in the grade 5. Then you will easily do the how to do the multiplication of 4 by 4. Am I clear, everyone? Show me thumbs up. So I'm not sending you the worksheet based on this concept, but I'm giving you a classwork sum for the practice. Clear? Any doubt to any child?
No doubts. Ma'am.
Yes, Jiga Singh, speak. Tej Kumar, wait. Jiga Singh, speak. Jiga.
Ma'am, when will the CAT of this chapter?
Once the chapter will be complete, because right now you're doing only the multiplication. आपको CET की tension लगी है. You have not touched the division. है ना. इसमें दो कॉन्सेप्ट है, detailed multiplication and detailed division. So it will take time to complete the chapter. It will take 10 to 15 days of December also. Clear? तो अभी जल्दी से खत्म नहीं होने वाला है सी चैप्टर. And we are on the 11th chapter. Don't worry about the syllabus. Only 3 chapters are left. Clear everyone? Any doubt to any child? Okay, I want to talk with Nishwa. Nishwa, may I know the reason why you have joined now?
Ma'am, I have tried to join, but it's showing me please reachable to not join. You are first to join the class.
My dear, the class is already being started from last 15-20 minutes. Because
Excuse
I
me,
also always join 10 minutes before. Means I join at 11:35.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Screen ma'am
it's
also have said that if it happens, so refresh the link.
Haan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we
So
have
Nishwa,
to refresh the classroom
Nishwa, now
and then
listen.
join again.
Okay. Nishwa, now listen. We have done only the table of 16 and 17 that you can do at later on. Now we are doing the 4-digit multiplication by 4 digits. Okay, students. Neva, give me any 4-digit number as a multiplicand.
Ma'am, 9111. No,
आपको
ma'am,
1 और
9
0 बहुत easy लगता है.
9 2
9 2.
8 3.
Give me some big numbers, na.
Okay.
And now give me the multiplier also. Please write multiplicand and multiplier. That also the 4-digit number.
Ma'am, 3 5s and 1 4.
3514. So you can say 3504.
Yes.
514. This way you can give the numbers. Okay. Now we start with which number? See, children, this till here you have already done, right? Because first you will not put any 0 because it's a single digit number. Then when you go to this step, you will put 1 0 because you are multiplying with 10, not only with the 1. Then when you move to the step of 5, you put 2 zeros in the beginning. And now, how many zeros will come when you start the 3 zeros will come. That is the difference. And when you keep on going, utni hi zeros aati jayengi. There will be no problem. And you will be clear with the multiplication concept. Yes, Vinay.
I noted 5 digit by 5 digit.
Yeah, beta, jab when this basic concept is clear, फिर कितनी भी बड़ी digit हो, you will easily do it.
Yeah. If we know about 1 digit by 1 digit, we can do any numbers, right?
At least 2 by 2 will be clear. Then 1 digit by 1 digit, the concept of 0 will be not clear. When you move to the 2 by 2 or 3 by 2 or 3 by 3, the concept of writing the 0 in the beginning will be clear to you. Am I clear? Okay, now we move. Neva will explain me, Neva, which numbers will multiply?
Ma'am, 4 3s are
4 3s are
12.
12. 1 will be here, 2 will be here. Then 4 8s are
24 and 25.
4 8s are 24. Tell me 4 8s are or 8 4s are.
excuse me,
Yes, please, Aradhya.
ma'am. When we have done 2 zeros, then we have to put 3 zeros, no?
हाँ, अब ये इस पे आ जाएंगे तब 3 zeros लगेंगे. क्योंकि 1 0 इसकी because it's a 10, then it's a 50, then it's a 300. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 10 and this a 100. So 2 zeros.
Ma'am, 32.
And 1000,
And
3
it is
zeros.
3000.
1000 ki 3 zeros. Yes, what happened? 32.
32.
4 8 32 plus 1, 33. 4 2s are 8.
Yes, 9 10 11. 11.
4 9s are
Ma'am, 4 9s are 20.
cables learn nahi hai.
46.
4 9s are 36, not 46.
Yes.
36 plus 1.
37.
Neva, mute your mic. Neva, can I request you, beta, how it is possible for you to sit at a place where there is a lot of persons are talking?
Ma'am, I am at my sister's house, so there is.
Better next time sit at the silent place, no, so you also
Ma'am,
feel
I always
comfortable.
sit at my room, but
It's
there is no
okay.
network at my house.
So now we are going to multiply with the 10 because it's a 110. So we multiply with the 10 and we write the 0 of the 10. We multiply, start multiplying with the 1 now. 1 3s are 3. 1 8s are Niva.
8,
1 2s are
2,
1 9s are.
9.
Okay. Now we multiply with the 500. So 2 zeros of the 500 will come and we multiply with the 5 now. 5 3s
Yes.
are.
15.
1 will be here, 5 will be here.
Yeah.
5 8s are.
40.
Granth is not writing anything. He assuming that the teacher is just giving a lecture and half an hour will be passed like this. Five eights are 40 plus 1.
41.
5 twos are 10 plus 4.
14.
5 nines are
Ma'am, 5 9s are 45.
plus 1.
46.
Now we multiplying with the 3. 3 is at the thousands place. So we are multiplying with the 3000. So 3000 is having 3 zeros. So in the beginning we write 3 zeros first and then we multiply with the 3. Yes, Moksh, please speak.
Hello, ma'am. I got the answer, and this answer is going on crores.
It will go. Because suppose one item is of 9,283 and you are finding the cost of 3,514 items.
Sometimes it will go in millions. Also.
Yes, as many as you increase the.
Then it will be 32 million, and if we check in our way, so it will be 3 crore.
Okay, so now we multiply with the 3. 3 threes are Niva.
9.
9. 3 eights are
24.
3 twos are
6, 7, 8.
3 nines are
27.
add
Ma'am, I got the answer.
2.
Ma'am, first will
Ma'am,
get
I got the answer.
Okay, let me check. 8, 1, 9, 10, 14.
Should I say the answer?
Let me also do, no? Then we will check it. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 10. 20.
Hello, ma'am. 3 crore 26,000. 26 lakh 20,462.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I add the numbers now? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 4, 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 6, 7, 8, 8 or 8, 16. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, put the comma.
Ma'am, 3 crore 26 lakh.
3 crore 26 lakh 20,462.
Right.
If your answer is this, then this is the
Ma'am, I
product.
have also checked in calculator. I am right.
टेस्ट में कैलकुलेटर लेके नहीं बैठना बच्चा.
Yes, ma'am. First I have done the answer, then I have checked. Ma'am, I was one time I was doing 5 digit by 5 digit na. First time I was practicing, it got like some number I didn't know it was more than crores, like millions.
It will come, na, bacha. It will come.
Yeah.
Because when we do the word problems, we will apply these multiplication concepts there in the word problems.
Now I'm doing 6 digit by 6 digit.
Can I erase the board?
Yes.
Everyone completed. Mantra, are you doing still? Any child? And please raise your hand, those who are doing. Okay. Good, Mantra.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Ma'am.
Good, Moksh.
Renu, ma'am.
Wait, Vishrut, wait. Jiga Singh, wait. Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, in the international counting of money, there is first hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, millions, and trillions, right?
Hello, ma'am. Can I say?
Yes, Moksh will give you.
Ma'am, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, hundreds.
100,000.
Yes,
Three places are coming. There is a three
Million.
places.
Ma'am, then million,
Then
And
10
Indian.
Then billion. Then billion.
Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. You all together speak and give the answers of everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, what's the answer? I want to correct myself.
3 crore 26 lakh 20,462.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Mean
you.
326 20462.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Jiga Singh, speak.
Ma'am, it is called international.
This is not international system. It's an Indian system.
Ma'am, in international system, it would be
Millions.
another thing.
Trillion, million, like that. Billion.
No, only 10 million means 30
You
million.
will be more comfortable when you learn about the international system also.
Ma'am, in the Indian dice, ones, tens, hundreds,
Ma'am, there are in
thousands,
international system.
lakhs, and
There are till trillions.
It will goes on.
zillion also.
It will go on, but each places have three values. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and this way it will increase.
100 million, then
Ma'am, it's
then
30
billion.
million.
Billion, 100 billion.
Can I go to the next now, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say this?
Yes, Tej Kumar will give me the one sum.
9,765
Next.
multiply by 4,864.
Start multiplying, students, and we will then finally check the answer. Everyone do it.
Ma'am,
Everyone,
5 4s are 20.
let everyone complete this first. Tej Kumar, you also do in your notebook. Then I will ask the answers. Granth and Vish, Granth, you are coming and going, coming and going. What is happening this? Because you're not paying attention in the class. Jiga Singh, turn on your camera. Vedant, turn on your camera. Jiga Singh, turn on your camera. I don't want any child to keep his camera off. Niva, turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am.
And Vishrut and Kashvi, please repair your cameras as soon as possible. I'm giving you time to complete this, everyone, and then we will discuss the answer of this. Granth, can you show me your notebook? Don't leave the class, huh? Show me your notebook, Granth.
Ma'am, I don't.
Nothing is audible to me. Speak.
My note.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
After this sum, can I say one sum?
Yeah, wait first. Granth, please speak.
My notebook is at. Ma'am, found the answer.
Wait. So, Granth, it has been noted from the beginning, from today big class, you are not doing anything, just putting the headphones and not audible properly also, and not with any of the notebook. You stay in the class, I want to talk to your parents. Anyone there near to you? Mama or Papa, please call him. Jiga Singh, again your camera is off. You better go out from the class. It will be good for you. Okay, now we are solving this sum, students. 4 5 ja Tej Kumar.
20. Ma'am, then 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26.
26.
Ma'am, plus 2. Ma'am, then 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. Then 36 plus 3, 39.
Now.
Then 0. 6 5s are 30.
Then
6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39.
Then
6 7s are 42 plus 3, 40.
45. Then
6 9s are 54 plus 4, 58.
Then
we will put 2 0. 5 8s are 40. Then 6 8s are 48 plus 4, 52.
yes. Next.
7 8s are 56 plus 5, 60.
Next.
72 plus 6, 70.
We were on this, no? We were 8 7s are. You told what? 8 7s are? 56 plus 1 plus 5, 61. Then 8 9s are?
72
plus 6
plus 6, 78.
Then how many zeros will come?
3 zeros. Then 5 4s are 20. Then 6 5 4s are 20. 6 4s 24 plus 2, 26.
Then 4 7s are?
4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30.
4 7 are 28, 29, 30. Vedant, switch on your camera, please. 4 9s are?
4 9s are 36 plus 3, 30.
Add it now. Vedant and Jigar Singh and the students, those who are keeping the camera off, if I see them again, I will not warn them. I will directly remove them.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Ma'am,
No.
can I say the answer?
In my screen, Tesh Kumar, sometime network
Can I
issue
say
comes.
the answer?
Let me add now and check your answer.
Ma'am, can I rejoin?
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, it is 4 crore 74 lakh 96,960.
14, 15, 16. Let me add, bacha. I cannot write directly the answer. I have to go from the back step by step. If you give me the answer from the beginning, will not be correct for me to write the answer directly.
Yes, ma'am.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 8, 12, 13, 14. 17. Is the answer correct?
Yes, ma'am, it is correct. Yes, ma'am, my answer is also there. My also.
Please check the answer, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 4 digit is too long that our whole period got in.
Ma'am, my also is
No problem, but at least you have learned the concept. No, now if I
Ma'am,
give you
only
as
two.
many sums, you will easily do.
Ma'am, only 2 sum and the whole period is gone.
But the concept is
me,
clear,
ma'am.
na?
Ma'am, the sum is so big
Kai
that
ek hi padho, beta. But it should be clicked to your mind. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, 1 sum in.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, in the 9 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 16.
9 plus 5. 14
ma'am.
plus 2.
No, ma'am, I was doing with another way. 5 plus 5, 10 plus
Which
9.
one? This line only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
There is 9, 5 and 2.
Yes.
So 9 plus 5, or you can do 2 plus 5, 7.
7.
7
7
plus
plus
9.
9. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14
14 plus
plus
2.
2.
16.
So it is 16.
Huh.
Ma'am, I know very easy method of 9 when we are plussing. What we have to do?
Yes.
Plus, first add these two, so it will be 7. Then give the number to 9, so it will be 10. So it will be 16.
Anyways, you can do the plus.
We have
Anyways.
already only
We are not bounding you any
the
one
whole
specific
period is
method.
over. Only done.
Vihan, I'm telling you the common thing to everyone. Even if you do a one sum, if you do it thoroughly and with the concept clear, it's worth.
Yeah, it is.
If you do 1,000 sums but the concept is not clear to you, no
It
worth
is
of that.
nothing then.
Yes.
I have already practiced it.
Now do 3 sums by your own. Do it in your notebook as your homework and discuss with me. Make it complete total 5 sums. 2 we have done. 3 you will do from your side, any 3 sums. If any doubt and you stuck somewhere, ask me in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.